Create Sweat Count account. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. Ready for the video? So let's dive in. First, open your Sweatcoin app, then tap on sign up with Google. Remember, you can only use your Google account in order to sign in. So make sure to have a Google account beforehand. Then tap on continue. Select the Google account from where you want to continue. For me, it's continue as Sabrina. Tap on it. Here, what you have to do is let the phone detect your physical activity. You can always skip it and do it later, or just do it right now and tap on enable Google Fit. I'll do it later, so I'll just tap on skip. I will do skip anyway again. Then allow step counting. Allow, and yes, you just signed in to your Sweat Count account. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, hit them down in the comment sections below and I'll catch you in the next one.